Hi Pisces, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. And this is your monthly forecast for June 2012. Pisces, we start the month with Uranus transiting your second house, and that is the house which covers your earned income, your financial obligations, material possessions. Material gains are Material gains and losses are also indicated in this chart. Uranus is a planet of cosmic surprises. It's a planet of confusion. It is a planet of unpredictability, and it is also a planet of movement. And this is touching your second house. So, a lot of you could be changing the way that you think about money. A lot of you could be looking at your resources, incomes in a very different way. I also think this is a great time for some of you to be exploring innovative ways. It's really a great time to be tapping into your energy and trying to maybe look at sources of way to earn your income or supplement your income that you have not thought before, or maybe you've thought about it earlier, but you have not sort of done anything about it. I think this is a great time to be implementing those ideas, Pisces. They may sound say that go ahead and take a risk this month and try and maybe do things to create more ways to earn an income. Do, however, go easy on retail therapy this month. I think a lot of you could be tempted to splurge quite a bit, but try not to give in to the temptation. Also, there is some amount of indication for some of you to get deeply involved, whether it is for a social cause that you feel very strongly for, or it could also to do with some part of I think an esoteric space. It could be that some of you get very interested in astrology or get very interested in the higher conscience as to how is it that things move, and some of you could also get deeply connected inside with yourself. There will be a big tug this month. You would feel the need to connect more deeply with your own self, and also there will be a need to seek more. So some of you could actually go off on a sort of a spiritual quest this month. There's a new moon on the 19th, and the new moon is cautioning you to be careful that to stay away from people who are manipulative. Don't get caught up in others' agendas, in others' grand plans, and try to stick to your script, Pisces. You may just end up being either the bait or a pawn in somebody else's story, and there seems to be involvement in a larger group or for a larger cause. It seems to be more on wanting to have time in trying to better things around you, whether they are your environment or their social causes, and these things could affect you or have been affecting you for a very long time, very deeply. And maybe this is the time when you will actually go out and action some amount of concern over security over your children or your parents. And I think some of you will think about moving your house or your locality maybe to one which is more community friendly, or maybe something which is more centrally located. Some of you could also be playing the idol host this month. You will be having some guests over, and you will be busy pampering them, and it is something that you will enjoy doing, because there seems to be either a close set of friends or someone very close in the family who will be visiting you, and you will be quite excited and happy about the visit. Towards the end of the month, we have Jupiter, which is connecting with Venus, and it's a brilliant connect, and it's happening there in your sign. And during this time, for those of you who are single and looking out for love, keep your eyes open. You may come across somebody who's adventurous, vivacious, unusual, colorful, and he or she can come and quite shake your world up. So have a great June. I'll see you again in July, and thank you so much for watching.